Hello, guys. It's Jules with DIY with Jules, and I am going to do a project, a really quick project, using these multicolor tab dividers. I went to the Goodwill and they had them. They originally had them for 25 cents. I got them for 10 cents each. My girlfriend is having a Moana birthday party, and I wanted to make big flowers for the decorations. So instead of going out and getting a package of construction paper, which is really flimsy, I'm using these dividers. Anyway, use some glue, and I have actually some clear Elmer's glue. There we go, just in case. And all I need is scissors. Because what we're going to use is this side of the paper. We're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to draw the petals on them. So I would say 5 packages will give me 1 large flower. I can do 2 petals from each of these. So I'm not even going to draw it. You can draw it on, but I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm coming this way. We're going right to the edge. And it's a large flower. Look at my hand, and it's from my fingertips almost to my elbow. So it's a pretty big flower. I would say about a 12-inch flower. Let's make sure that you have every section glued onto it. Take that bead of glue and put it all the way down on the bottom, and we're going to roll it up so that it can roll into itself. The leaves, just did the one flower, have a few more flowers to do, but I just wanted to show you guys how quick, simple and easy it is to make one of these large flowers. I'm set it right next to my wall decor. The wall decor is about the size of my hand, so that you can see how big the flower is, with the 6 petals, the little center, and the 3 petals on the outside, and the 3 leaves on the outside. It's very pretty, and it's very simple, and it's inexpensive. Use construction paper. I just found that, you know, using these are a little harder, and if they want to put it away and reuse it for something else, I mean, they can. Yeah, so I hope you liked it, and happy crafting. Bye.
And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I'd be happy to welcome you to our new family. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.